Good morning, students. Hope you have a good day. So, today we are here to discuss chapter The King's Drum from your English book. So, in this chapter, we will see a tiger and a mouse deer, and we will see what happens between them. So, let's start the chapter The Tiger's Drum. Now, in this chapter, the king's drum, one day, tiger sees mouse deer by the river. The tiger sees mouse deer by the river. Tiger jumps and catches him. So, one day, what happened? Tiger saw a mouse deer walking by the river. He jumped and quickly catched him. Tiger was very hungry and he wanted to eat mouse deer. Mouse deer is very scared. Now, mouse deer was very scared. He thought, now what should I do? Tiger will eat me, because tiger was very hungry, and that is why he caught mouse deer. Suddenly, mouse deer sees a beehive above him. See here, you can see a beehive. So, mouse deer saw a beehive above him and he has an idea. Quickly, he thought about an idea how to escape from the tiger. So, let's see what did he did. Mouse deer says, "You cannot eat me now. I am looking after the king's drum." Now, when a mouse deer saw a beehive above him, he had an idea and he said to the tiger that you cannot eat me now because I am looking after the king's drum. Now, the tiger suspiciously asked, "The king's drum? What is this king's drum?" So, mouse deer points to the beehive. Yes, there it is. It makes a very sweet sound. Now, mouse deer said, when tiger asked about the king's drum, mouse deer told that yes, this beehive is the king's drum and it makes a very sweet sound. A very sweet sound comes from this king's drum. But the king does not want anyone to touch it. He also said, the mouse deer also added the condition that the king does not want anyone to touch the drum, touch the king's drum. Then let's see what happened. Tiger says, "I must hear that sweet sound. Let me beat the drum." Tiger was very excited. He thought, now that what is in the what type of sweet sound is that the king does not want anyone to touch it or to hear it. So he said, the tiger said that I must hear the sweet sound. Let me beat the drum. The mouse deer said, "No, the king will not like that." He said, mouse deer said to the tiger that no, do not beat the drum because the king will not like it. Okay, so the tiger says, "Just once, mouse deer, please." Tiger pleaded mouse deer to let him beat the drum. Mouse deer said, now this is what only mouse deer wanted. And so mouse deer said, "All right, but I don't want the king to scold me. Let me go away," says mouse deer. Okay, so the mouse deer said that, "All right, you can beat the drum, baby, but I do not want the scolding from the king. So let me go away and then you can beat the drum." So tiger was very excited. He was very happy that now he can beat the drum. So tiger is very happy and mouse deer goes away quickly. This is only what mouse deer wanted. He hides behind some bushes and the mouse deer hides behind the bush to see what happens next. Tiger picks up a stick, stands on a rock and beats the beehive. Buzz! Now, when the tiger beat the beehive, the bees came out. They made noise, buzz. The bees in the beehive are very angry. Why they are angry? Because the tiger hit the beehive with the stick. Okay, so the bees were very angry in the beehive. They made the sound buzz. Then after that they came out of the beehive. The bees see tiger hitting the hive. Buzz. They again made the sound. They again made the angry sound. They attacked tiger and sting him. Now they were very angry that the tiger had beaten the beehive. So they attacked the tiger and sting him. Oh, cries tiger. He runs into the river and jumps into the cool water. Aha, says mouse deer, I am safe now. Now, see, bees have sting the tiger, and the tiger then the tiger quickly jumps into the water to save himself. So this is now mouse deer's plan had worked. He wanted to get away from the tiger. He wanted to remain safe. So at last mouse deer was safe. That is why he said aha, because he was safe from the tiger. So this was about the king's drum. Okay, so in this chapter we saw how mouse deer saved his life from tiger. Now let's see some new words from this chapter. Mouse deer, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, D-E-E-R, deer. Beehive, B-E-E-B, hive, H-I-V-E, hive, beehive. Looking after, L-O-O-K-I-N-G, looking after, A-F-T-E-R, after. Beat, B-E-A-T, beat, S-C-O-L-D, scold. Attack, A-T-T-A-C-K, attack. Sting, S-T-I-N-G, sting. Cool, C-O-O-L, cool. Safe, S-A-F-E, safe. So these are the new words from this chapter. Now we will see some hard words. Scared, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Suddenly, S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. Attack, A-T-T-A-C-K, attack. And sting, S-T-I-N-G, sting. These were some hard words. Now we will know about tiger. We will now have a look upon the description of tiger. See a tiger. You can see the tiger. A tiger is our national animal. Now we will know about a tiger, where it lives, what it eats, and what the group of a tiger is called. So let's see a small essay on tiger. A tiger is a wild animal. It belongs to the cat family. It is a flesh-eating animal. It eats flesh. It is a carnivorous animal. Why? Because it eats flesh. It has black and white stripes on its body. Yes, it has black and white stripes. It has a long tail and a sharp teeth. A tiger has a long tail and a sharp teeth. Sharp teeth helps it to tear the flesh. Now, it lives in a den. Where it lives? It lives in a den. See the den. Tiger lives in a den. Its baby is called a cub. See this small baby of a tiger? The small baby of a tiger is called a cub. And it is our national animal. Tiger is our national animal. Okay, so these were the few things about tiger which we have learned today. So hope you have understood the chapter The King's Drum and you don't face any problem afterwards. Have a good day. Bye-bye.